15 liters natural gas rice cooker. First off, the overall dimensions. Measurements for the radius of the rice bowl. We have at least 20 inches. Overall height of 9 inches. Grand total counting the bottom. We have at least 15.5 inches. Measurements for the bottom base. After removing the top, we have at least 15.75 inches. Removing the plate from the bottom, we'll have our internal components, including the pilot, to light the flame and to cook the rice pot on top. Coming to the side will be the connection for your natural gas. Here for igniting the flame and to cook after. Included will be the cup and your rice scooper. Come here to the side will be our electrical specifications and other information for this product. For more information on this rice cooker, visit our website. For any other questions, give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.